How to disable likes on Instagram. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application. Once we've opened our Instagram application, go to the lower left hand corner of the application and click on your profile icon. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you will be routed to your profile page basically. Now let's click on a post that we have. So for instance, we have this post. I'm just going to click on the ellipses button beside my profile name. So click on it. And afterwards, we're going to choose hide like count option. Click on it. And there you have it. You can now disable or the likes has been hidden or the number of likes has been hidden on your Instagram account. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this helpful and thank you so much for watching.